In this video, I will draw my dog, and I will use traditional mediums like watercolors and color pencils along the way. So let's not waste any more time. Let's proceed to the video. Hello everyone, this is Kenetchi Arts, and I do concept art and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider subscribing in this channel. Together, we can spread positivity and creativity through art. So, in this episode guys, I will draw my dog and I will use my traditional mediums because it's been a long time since I've been using those mediums, since I've been putting all my time in digital. So, I think this is a perfect opportunity since I've lost that at the beginning of the year, wherein I will draw my dog as a symbolism to gratitude and appreciation to life. So let's not waste any more time. Let's proceed to the illustration. Back everyone, so now we're done with the illustration, and I'm so happy that I've drawn my dog for the first time and without her female counterpart. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see me draw more in traditional way. And I hope this impacts you at such a strong way that you feel gratitude and appreciation just like me. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I prepared a playlist for you guys to watch here, so you can click on that after this video. So that's all. Thank you so much and goodbye. Chichi, say bye bye. Bye bye.